Here I've got XIAOMI Mi A3 and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on System. Now you have to open Advanced Options and click on Reset Options. And here you will notice Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, so this is for the networks, click on it, and if you truly want to reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, simply click on Reset Settings. And now confirm your decision because this operation cannot be undone. Wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, network settings have been reset. That would be all. Congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.